So we have really high horsepower cars on this dyno. Jordan will actually go down here, see if we can get in here. Where's he at? I don't see him. There he is. Hey, what's up, buddy?
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, what are you doing down here?
I am strapping Wally.
So we gotta strap these cars to the ground, as well as keep them on the dyno. We actually put a strap that pulls them down.
There we go. Hey, there he is.
Sweet.
That run made 1,864 horsepower, so it's still shy of the 2,100 it made before. Still quite a bit more tuning to go. We're not done, obviously, just yet, but we're going to see what it makes. Alright, so Dave's car we made 1971. Jake said it was on 45 pounds of boost. The car can make like 60, you said 65?
Maryland made 66.
Everything's going good so far. The trans are getting a little hot. The trans cooler on, you know, some drag cars like these get deleted.
We're like, we don't need that. Take the weight out. And then now it's like, we're like, all it does is warm up the trans, right? And then now it's getting hot. We're like, oh, maybe it was helping.
Just going down the transmission. We'll get back in the car. We'll do some more pulls. Cool. All right. Well, let's work on the anti-lag and launch control. And
yeah, it'll be loud. A lot of
I'm pretty sure these guys are not going to care about that. Alright, so I was getting ready to go home, and Jake is still out here. He's still tuning. See how much he made real quick? $2,073.
It's got more to go. I just, again, I don't want to push it.
How much boost was that?
53 psi.
Nice.
I don't know if it's going to give us like 2,400 horsepower, but you know, if it gives us over 22, I'll be happy.
Yeah.
Because I think
Power
isn't this car's issue. It's the short track. If we can get this car back down to the 1-teen 60 foots and everything else work after that,
good to go.
It'll be fine. I got the launch control really nice right now.
Yeah, we saw that. You almost blew up my cell phone. Let's cut to that clip. I am mic'd up. Tyler, hey. Come under here. All right. Yeah. We got another Q build.
Another one. Another one.
More Q content for you guys. You guys like the last video, but you weren't too happy with us not showing horsepower numbers, but that was out of our control.
This is gonna get our RA600 package, the pure 800 turbos, and all of the fuel system stuff to support.
Like you said, pure stage 2s, the RA405, AMS low pressure fuel pump, AMS injectors, high pressure fuel sensor, and he's gonna be doing flex fuel, I believe.
Yes.
Okay, for those of you guys that are maybe interested in one of these kits, a lot of the Qs that come in already have a whole bunch of work done to them, so we don't really get to go from, you know, we'll say stock to a completed car. This one only has an exhaust and intakes.
Yep.
So nothing too crazy.
Yeah.
We thought this would be a really good car to kind of dive in a little bit deeper with you guys. I'm gonna get off of this camera. We'll go over to the on gimbal camera. We'll continue the build.
Underline it out. Yeah, get these brake calipers off.
There you go.
Yep. The suspension.
If you guys saw in the last Q video, for all Qs, the way the turbo placement is, basically the motor is going to come down with the subframe. So he's in the process, like he said, getting those brake calipers off. He's gonna hang those up.
Got your upper ball joint here. Upper control arm just disconnects there, and then the lower one here. And then basically the whole like strut assembly and the knuckle and everything. The knuckle will come with the motor, but everything else will stay. And then yeah, it just makes it easy to drop the subframe, get it nice on a table, and then you have access to all the good stuff in there.
What do you think of this Q?
Ooh, hot.
Dude,
Black on black on black.
looks good. Steering shaft's undone, drive shaft's undone.
All lines and plumbing are undone. Exhaust is off.
Got the rest of it done up there.
Yep, got all these oil cooler lines done. I'm gonna go find the table, get it all set up. Yeah. Can you drop it down a little bit more?
Yes, sir. This Q60 is almost done. Actually, the motor's technically in right now, but you guys are going to see that in the next episode. So, with that being said, we hope you guys enjoyed this. Please hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out. But yeah, in the next episode, we got this MBRP exhaust that needs to get installed on the car. And you don't see a lot of parts here because they're on there now, but we got a whole bunch of fueling and other goodies that we're going to show you in depth on what happened to get this RA600 package installed on this Q50. So, with that being said, we appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much for coming back. Please subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.